That night, Olivia dreamed of hands. Not just hands, praying hands, layered over one another. Calloused, dark-skinned, bleeding at the wrists, reaching from within the earth and clutching at the floorboards of her new home. Not angry, just desperate. She woke to the sound of Isaiah crying in the next room. She found him standing at his window, his Batman blanket balled in one fist. "What's wrong, baby?" he sniffed. "There's someone outside." She looked. Nothing but shadows and garden lights on a lawn so trimmed it looked fake. "Nobody's there, baby. It's just our new yard." Isaiah didn't move. "I heard them talking. You probably dreamed it." "No, they said something weird." She knelt beside him, heart a little heavier now. "What did they say?" He hesitated, as if searching for the words. "They said, 'Let the walls remember.'" Downstairs, Marcus stood in the kitchen in just his robe, pouring a glass of bourbon with the fridge door open.